this trampled wall, the unhinged door betrays it all. That far within our faith, we were all waiting. The broken glass reflects the haze, it shines like endless holy days, struggling to remember what they're celebrating. When a God descended and the real time ended, his life was lifted just above the law. And now we have to live with what we did, with what we saw. Well, you mend your clothes and patch your roof, and slivers of God's shattered truth grow tender as the grass in clean swept yards. But a Savior came and told us how the truth was all around us now. Abandon house and field and gather up the shards. Well, God descended and the real time ended. His light was lifted just above the law. And now we have to live with what we did, with what we saw. Well, you build your faith with strength and duty, build your love, but there's a beauty. Well, you know the scriptures tell there are a few sharps left in hell, and if we wanted God, we had to follow him down. Him Pictures torn out of their frames and orgies where we lost our names. All were gone with time's real desire. Well, you ask how God can curse you thus. That's not a question asked by us. We burnt our beds and books. We fear we've lost the fire. The God descended. This life was not yours. And the real time ended. This life was not yours. His light was lifted just above the law. And now we have to live with what we did, with what we saw.
No? Your leg sore? Yeah. Just walk him around, and then we'll walk him around one time, then we'll jog him, then we'll lope him. Better, Mary? When you rub that spur, just rub it right up and down his belly. Just grind it right in him. And take the hair right off him if you want. You're not gonna, but I'm just telling you. Think about it. Bump him with your legs a little bit. Get him going. Same thing with your hands. When you bump the legs, you want to bump the head too. Okay, you can go ahead jogging. Sit back. Sit right back. Show that horse. Lean backwards a little bit. There you go. Bump him with your legs. He's getting trashy. Okay, get ready to set him up to lope him. Remember what you do, pull back on the reins, steady pressure, push that spur and lift him hard. Put it right in there and lift him hard. Pull back on the reins a little bit. You not ready? And kiss to him. Drive that spur harder. There you go. Ride him. Perfect. Try that spur in him. Pull back on the reins a little bit. There you go. There you go. Try that spur in him. Harder. Rub it, rub it, rub it. You want him to stop. Pull back on his reins a little bit and put that spur in him harder. Rub it right up and down. Pull, pull, pull. Pull. Pull on the reins. There. Okay, release. Perfect. Keep him going. Okay, walking. There, you got your video.